Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to make this Christmas special plum cake at home. First, we are supposed to make a dry fruit mixture, for which I have took 3 tablespoons of chopped almond, 3 tablespoons of chopped cashews, and this is 3 tablespoons of chopped candied cherry. This is easily available in market. This is 3 tablespoons of black raisins, that is dry grapes. Next in goes 3 tablespoons of tutti frutti and 3 tablespoons of normal dry grapes. You can even add chopped walnuts in it if you have, it's totally optional. Next in goes 1 cup of orange juice. I have made it freshly at home, and also I have not added any sugar into it. Mix it well and rest it for 5 hours before you make the cake. For the wet ingredients of the batter, first I am taking half cup of milk. Then let's add 3 tablespoons of oil. This is refined oil with no flavors. Next, let's take half tablespoon of vanilla essence. Now let's add the spices. I have took 3 pinches of dry ginger powder, half tablespoon of cinnamon powder, that is dalchini ka powder, half tablespoon of nutmeg powder, that is jaifar. Now let's give it a mix. Now I am going to add few drops of liquid food coloring, that's brown liquid food coloring, into the cake batter for giving the cake a nice brown color. It's totally optional, you can avoid it completely. Now let's see what are our dry ingredients that should be added in our plum cake. First I have took 1 cup of maida, that is all-purpose flour, and half cup of sugar, powdered sugar, 1/4 tablespoon of baking soda, half tablespoon of baking powder, and finally 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Now let's start adding our dry ingredients into our wet ingredients. And I forgot to mention that this is totally veg. There is no egg required in this recipe. If you are a vegetarian, you should give it a try for sure. Now in goes our one of the most main ingredient for the plum cake. That's the dry fruit mixture which we had prepared 5 hours ago. I have took half cup of dry fruit mixture. The best part in this is really healthy, and you can even eat the dry fruit mixture raw. It's really sweet and tasty. Now in goes our last ingredient, that is 1 tablespoon of vinegar. This is synthetic vinegar, and give it a nice mix. Make sure that you add this vinegar at the end point when you're going to just bake your cake. I have my mold ready, greased with butter, and I have also added butter paper so that it is easy to remove it from the mold. Transfer the cake batter into the cake mold and just give it a tap on a surface, and our cake is ready to bake. So here's our cake ready. Let's just check whether it's cooked. I'm just poking a toothpick into our cake, and you can clearly see that there is no crumbs of cake or batter on the toothpick, so it's completely baked. When the cake is completely cold, let's remove the cake from the mold and let's remove the butter paper. And do try this recipe for this Christmas and enjoy. And the most important thing is subscribe to my channel and do follow me on Instagram. Link in the description box below.